So you thought njahi will disappoint you? Then you haven't made some chickpeas. Chickpeas will instantly lower your self-esteem from wherever it is to an instant negative. And so today I'm going to show you one easy recipe in which you can prepare some chickpea stew or a curry, and I'm pretty sure you're going to love it. With me here I have my ingredients that I have carefully selected, and from this corner I have my chickpeas that I already boiled with some salt. Here I have my tomatoes. In the market at the moment hizo manyanya hivi, so I've decided to blend my tomatoes. That's what I have. This is some garlic and ginger paste, and I made this in a previous episode. You should check that out. I'm also going to link the video at the end of this particular recipe. I have my capsicum, some coriander stems, some onions, some coriander leaves. Then I also have some tomato paste. I have some carrots. For the list of spices, I've carefully selected this, and each and every spice is going to bring something to the table. I have some turmeric for the color. I have some curry powder because you're definitely making a curry, and I have some Rico powder just for the thickness. I also have some salt, and finally I have my secret ingredient, and that's some coconut cream. You can also use coconut milk, and you'll also need some cooking oil. And without further ado, let's get started. So once my cooking oil is hot enough, I'll go in with my onions, and I'm going to saute this. And this is just the color that I like, so I'll proceed to adding my next ingredient. So I'm going to be adding my garlic and ginger paste, and I made this in an episode that I've already uploaded. I'll add in a generous amount. And this is the beauty about this kitchen hack. Sio kila siku nanukisha vidole ginger na garlic. It's that easy. Then once that is fragrant, I'll go in with my turmeric for the color. That is okay. Then I'll add in my capsicum, as well as my coriander stems. Then I'll add in my tomato paste. And I'm going to go in with my blended tomato. And you can already see the beauty that you have. So I'm going to cover this and let it come to a simmer, and I'm going to let it simmer for about 1 or 2 minutes. So my tomato base is already well cooked. I'll go in with my chickpeas. And you can see that this already looks yummy. Then I'll add in my salt and spices. Then finally I'll add in my carrots. Then finally, my favorite part, the tofu. Then I'll cover this and let it simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes. Look at this. This looks beautiful. Tastes even better. So my dish is almost ready, like we're almost there. So I'll go in with my secret ingredient. That looks beautiful. And finally, I can switch that off. Then I'll add in my coriander leaves and we are done. So I'll see you for serving and tasting. So finally, my food is ready and I've served it with some rice. And you can see the rice is fluffy. I guarantee you this is a bomb recipe. Wow. This is good. You can see how big the curry is. It's also very tasty. Wow. So as I promised you, the combination of the spices that I used, I carefully selected them and each of them was bringing something to the table. As you can see, we have a very big, delicious chickpea stew or a chickpea curry, and I hope you're going to try this recipe because it's just hitting the right spot. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.